Second tune-up game between Serbia and USA for the preparation of Paris Olympics tournament 2024. USA is winning against Serbia with a score of 105 and 79. So now let's look back with the plays. Ano bang mga nangyari dito? Maganda itong preparasyon para sa Team USA. Okay, so head coach Steve Kerr used the tune-up games as an excuse to test out different starting lineups. Ngayon they have the trio of Lebron James, Stephen Curry, and Joel Embiid with the star forward Kevin Durant naka-sideline due to a calf injury. While Jason Tatum, Anthony Edwards, Devin Booker, and Holiday have all gotten their shot at the starting five. Si Anthony Davis had been the team's best player to the first two games despite coming off the bench. Pero ngayon makikita niyo maganda yung pinakita ni ni Davis, especially on the defensive side. Actually, in the first quarter, maganda yung laban dikit Nakatapos yung first quarter ng 28 against 28 tie. Pero dito na sa second quarter talaga lumamang. USA scoring of 31 against Serbia 17 lang Malaki yung kalamangan umabot sa double digit pagkatapos ng second quarter. Anthony Davis finished with 7 points dito sa laro na to 6 rebounds at isang dominanting 6 blocks, helping to lead the US defensive effort that limited Serbia throughout the game. Si Anthony Edwards naman coming off the bench ay nagkaroon ng 16 points, while si Lebron James added with 11. This team actually led as many as 31 points in the last of a pair of warm-up games here in Abu Dhabi, United Emirates. So the American team will be heading to London to play 2 more tune-up games after nito. So the first on Saturday is going against South Sudan, and then it will be followed up by a matchup with Germany on Monday at the London's O2 Arena. Pero sa game na ito makikita nyo yung uneven start nila using 16 to 2 run in the second quarter, tapos nag-take advantage sila ng 56 to 42, and sa halftime 59 to 45. Pero dito sa third quarter lumamang talaga sila. Si Nikola Jokic ay mayroong 16 points and 11 rebounds for Serbia. Alexa Avramovic nagdagdag ng 14 points. So Serbia was playing its second game in 2 days, coming off loss galing sa Australia nung Tuesday and then pero dito nakapahinga si team captain Bogdanovic. Ito si Stephen Curry ay may 24 points, highest. Lebron is 11, Edwards is 16, Adebayo 17 with a very good percentage, and Rainbow Country 3 points Tapos meron din si Booker 3 points, Davis 7 points, Holiday 8 points, Embiid 8 points. So maganda itong pinakita nila sa team. Magandang it's a good opportunity for Coach Kerr na makapag trial and error doon sa rotation niya. So kabang-abang let's wait for the next tune-up games for USA team.